Hi, my name is Clint Baderis. I'm from Pueblo, West Colorado. This is Module 1 for EDL 852. First, a little bit about myself, my family. I've been married for 7 years to my wife, Carissa. We have 2 kids, Easton 6, Berkeley 5. I come from a family of educators, grandpa, dad, brother, all teachers, lifelong teachers. So it kind of runs in the blood. We've been doing this for a long time. Some of my hobbies: enjoy hunting, fishing, obviously coaching, um, hanging out with family, spending time outdoors, going camping, spending time in the mountains, also spending time at the lake. I'm currently employed at Pueblo West High School. It's in southern Colorado. I have 12 years in education. I spent 10 years in La Junta, Colorado. It's a pretty low income area, 75% free and reduced lunch kids. And then the last 2 years I've been at Pueblo West High School, which is 1,400 students, 60 staff members, and a pretty affluent community. I currently teach physical education and health, and I'm also the head football coach at Pueblo West High School. All right, get down to it. What is a vision and mission statement? A mission statement is an overall goal for the school. It's academically focused, includes clearly stated objectives, how your school is described to others, what you want others to see from your school. A vision statement is what a school is doing to reach those goals, also describes the priorities the school holds at a high standards. Pretty much a mission statement is the end, and a vision statement is how you're going to get there. Why have a vision and mission statement? A mission statement describes what a school is doing and how to get to the end goal. A vision statement lays out the future that the school and for the school, and lets you describe your school to others. And how do they work together? A mission is an end goal for the school, and the vision is how the school is going to achieve those goals. Mission and vision statements can be changed to help meet student needs. If your demographics change, then your mission and vision statement should change. What is a process for developing a vision and mission statement? First of all, you want to get input from other people. You want to work with team leaders and parents to set standards for the schools. Allow students, parents, and staff to have input about what is important. Establish a team or a group of stakeholders to collaboratively develop a vision and mission statement. Make sure it is a shared vision. Developing an actionable mission and vision, attentive to values and priorities. Schools must gather important information using data, technology, values, equity, diversity, digital citizenship, and community. Use community input when we're making vision and mission statements. Take surveys from the community, see what they hold at a high standard. Have stakeholder conversations, and get staff input. The more input we can get from people, the more people value your mission and vision statement. Characteristics of a quality written mission and vision statement: they're clearly stated, they're well written, they're academically focused, they're present in all classrooms and demonstrated at all times. They apply to your school. Common problems are not clearly displayed, does not represent the school needs, poor word choice or language, or maybe too wordy. Some of the thoughts and misgivings that I had about mission and vision statements: I didn't know what our school's mission and vision statement was, and I never used them in my lesson plans prior to doing this unit. I've seen them, but I've never used them. Another thing is understanding what and how it should be used, and allow me to develop quality lesson plans and align the school's vision and mission statement. How can I make a better lesson using our school's mission? And prior to the project, I was unclear for the reason why we had a vision and mission statement. This is an example from our district and our high school. I think that the district level, although it does address the needs of all students, I think it could be a little less wordy. I think it's a little long. Whereas I think our high school statement is a little short. Relations, relevance, and rigor. Could have added a few things there. Maybe could have got a little more input. They were developed with community and staff, and they describe high priorities that our school has. So depending on which one you look at, I think we could make some improvements on all of our mission and vision statements. but they all have their good and their bad to them. Some of the suggestions I might have for our superintendent should be displayed and demonstrated throughout the school. I don't think I've ever seen it demonstrated or posted anywhere in our school. How does this support each student? It displays what each student should receive while attending Pueblo West High School: relevance, rigor, and lifelong learners. A well-written statement should drive education and develop students to be lifelong learners. That is the end. It'll be a pleasure getting to know everybody. Thank you.